just below the 24,000 mark, and there's a lot of pressure coming on the Nifty with some aggressive call rating happening at the 24,000 level. As we speak, the Nifty is trading at a premium of nearly 80 points, and there's open interest build up for July 7. For the July series is around 18-19%, which basically gives you an indication of the rollover that's happening at this point in time. The Nifty Bank is down on the back of shorts, which has been building up there. Again, there the open interest build up is nearly 17% in Nifty Bank. Look at the constituents of Nifty Bank in the July series. You have, except for HDFC Bank, where there's a long build up happening, we are seeing short build up across the board for the July series there. Federal Bank being the other exception where the long build up is been seeing. But look at call and put writing for the July 7 expiry. You're going to see that 24,000 level is where the call writing is aggressive at this point in time. It's just started off there, and 24,100 is acting as a good resistance also for the indices. If you look at the distribution chart, you will get to know that so far the 24,000 is holding up for the put writers at this point in time. But wait for the volatility, especially in the last half an hour. You're going to see a Nifty indices reject, which is going to happen, and as a result of which a lot of flows will be there. So there will be a lot of volatility that comes in at 3 o'clock. As a result of the Nifty passive indices reject, which is going to happen there. But future gainers include Cipla, where there's a long build up. Torrent is seeing a short covering, and Nalco is seeing a short covering. The stocks up nearly 2.5% in today's trade. Persistent is the weakest stock today, 9.5% down. Shorts getting built up. Astral is another where there's a demerger which has happened. Again, the long unwind happening. Stock down 8.8%, and Supreme Industries is down 6.6% in today's trade. Open interest gainers include Persist and 33% jump. Open interest shorts getting built up. Nykaa is seeing a 26% jump in open interest with the shorts build up there, and Info Edge a long build up with 18% jump in open interest. Most of them happening in the July series, so there's a rollover that's happening to the July. Among the losers, you have JSW Energy, where there's a short covering. Force is seeing a long unwind, and Godfrey is seeing a long unwind. Among the options, stock options, you have Persistent today, which is the most active, 4,500 July call. The stock well below that at 43.83. For 5.6 lakh contracts getting added there. The futures down nearly 233 in today's trade, and trading at 152. Among the put, you have SGFC, which is the most active, 800 July put. The stock hovering just below that 800 level with 12.8 lakh contracts getting added as open interest there, and the stock just marginally down in the futures in terms of premium, 0.5 down in this trade there. So the market is holding off, trying to hold off to the 24,000 level, but there's so much of pressure coming in as a result of the rollovers which are happening.
Understood, Sadi. Thanks so much.